So there are a lot of ways in which you can get money online, but CPA offers is one of the best ones, okay? I'm going to tell you why this is the best, and I'm going to show you step by step what do you need to do in order to set this up for yourself. Remember, you only set this up once and then it's working on autopilot. Hit that subscribe and let's do it. The first website that we have to visit today is called CPAGrip.com. And if you don't know what CPA Grip stands for, well, it is cost per action, okay? So cost per action, whenever someone does a certain action, you get paid for it, okay? And you can get some nice money. But this is only one website which offers such exclusive features. There is also this one which is called CPALead.com, and they work on the same principle. You get money for those simple actions. There's also this one, which is called Offer Vault, and like the other ones, it is pretty easy. You just find the offer that you want to promote, and then you find the traffic for it. The more traffic you find out there, the more money you're gonna get, and that's how it works, okay? So, what do you have to do is you have to take the money. Pretty simple, right? Well, first of all, let's go to CPA Grip, and let's make ourselves an account. Now, you know what to do in here, like some simple information about yourself, but this is what you have to take care for. GPT, okay? GPT stands for Get Paid To, and those are the kind of offers that we're gonna involve ourselves with today. So just make sure that this one is selected and complete this other information, and I'm gonna log in into my account. And of course, all of these are gonna work all around the world, so it doesn't matter where you come from, you can still get the money from them, okay? Now, when you come to CPA Grip's dashboard, this is what you have to take into consideration. This is the chat window inside of it, and you can get a lot of help inside of this chat window. Trust me, when I firstly got here, I got a lot of help from these guys, and they are sometimes bragging in this chat window. So, for example, they just write certain message, and then the system tells them how much money they have made all time. So, just take a look at this guy. I just saw this $400,000 all time with a lot of leads, 44,000. Of course, this is not gonna happen to you in the first month or so. You're gonna be like more like this guy, like $200 in a month, and you can scale that. You don't have to worry. I mean, this guy has also started really lowly, and then he accumulated that many leads and he accumulated that many cash. So what do you have to do on this website? You have to go to Offer Tools and click on My Offers. Now, the next thing that you have to do is you have to choose an offer from this website. And my suggestion is that you can choose a country. Of course, you can choose your own country and you can run the offers that are specifically made for your region. But of course, you can always use these like United States, and from wherever you come from, you can use other countries' promotion codes. So I suggest also that you click here on Email Zip Submits because these are the easiest ones, okay? Now, the name tells itself. So Email Zip Submits means that, for example, if you get someone to enter the email address in a certain box, you will get $2 for it, okay? So $2 for each one of those emails. And this is why this is so easy, because people don't have to buy anything, okay? Email address is free. Everyone can enter the email address, but you are getting $2 per each one of those, okay? So that's why this is good. And a lot of people are going to enter that email because they have a chance of winning $750 PayPal gift card. But of course, this is only the one. You have all these other ones. And of course, CPA Lead works on the same way. You just find those, just like OfferVol. Let me tell you, maybe for OfferVol, you can just type in gift cards and search by the name and just take a look, for example, at this one, Walmart $1,000 gift card. You even get $2.75 for each one of those emails. And this is what people are going to see when they click on that link. Just take a look at this. Just confirm your email, and they have a chance of winning $1,000 gift card. Now, that's a really, really good option for anyone, okay? It's just like a lottery. Someone's going to win. A lot of them aren't going to win that. But you, my friend, this is not a lottery for you. You get $2.75 for each one of those emails. And that's why this method is so profitable, okay? easy as it comes, okay? Easy as it comes. You don't have to bring people to subscribe to anything. They don't have to enter their credit card information, nothing, guys. No buying, just email address, and you get 2.75 bucks for each one of those. Now, hit that subscribe button if you like this strategy for money. Thank you. So the only thing that we have to do now is we have to find the traffic for those links. Whether you took this one from OfferVault or you took something from CPA Grip, you just need to find the traffic for it. You need to find the people who are willing to click on that. And trust me, those people are everywhere, right? Everyone wants to get something for free, especially a chance to get $750 PayPal gift card, or maybe even this one, Walmart $1,000 gift card. I mean, this is a dream come true, right? Now, the first thing that you can do for getting that nice traffic is going over to Facebook.com, okay? You know that Facebook.com has a lot of users, right? Just type in giveaways in the search bar and then just click on these groups. And you will find a lot of these groups. I mean, there are a lot of people out there, as you can see from the number of members. Just take a look at this, 50K members inside all of these. And there's even more in these down there. So these are called like giveaways, or maybe you can type in gift cards as well. And why these people are gathering in these groups? Well, they're in here for a simple reason, right? They want to get those giveaways and they want to get those gift cards, right? So when you put your link, trust me guys, they will just run to enter their email address because they are gathering there for a reason. They are just waiting for this kind of stuff. They are in these groups and they have notifications telling them that you have, for example, posted something, and then they just go and try. They don't have nothing to lose, right? This is why this works, okay? They lose nothing, but you get 2.75 bucks, for example. And for example, if you want to just go inside of these groups, and only thing that you have to do is to engage with the people there, okay? I suggest just be nice to them, be friendly, and just tell them that they have a chance of winning something for free, and you will get the result. Really, guys, there are a lot of people inside of these groups, and of course, it's all gonna depend on you. The more time you invest in posting these comments into all of these groups, the more money you can get. And of course, you can just type in gift cards as well. Just type in gift cards and then just hit enter. I actually misspelled this one, but you can see that Facebook got it done for me. Gift card, you can just type in gift card, and then you actually see that you have a lot of these groups. Just take a look at these groups, 100,000 members. They have 10 posts a day. And of course, you already know that Facebook has a lot of traffic during 1 month. I mean, this is just perfect. Just take a look at this, 18.5 billion people each month on this website. I mean, there's no better traffic than Facebook.com for it. I mean, this is an awesome strategy, guys. And all that you have to do is to follow all these steps and start doing that. The sooner you start with this, the sooner you're gonna get that money, okay? So just go out there, take that action, guys, and I'll catch you.